Hey dudes, Sam here, and in the past few months alone, I've made over $450,000, all by running my online consulting business where all I'm doing is just building bridges to help my clients go from where they are to where they want to go. And the purpose of this video is to show you how you can do the exact same thing yourself, how you can turn your skills and your knowledge, the thing that you're an expert in, the thing that you love to do, into an online consulting business and give you more income, more impact, and more freedom. And I just want to show you how I went from running a web design agency doing $100,000 a month, which from the outside looked great. We had the fancy office for winning international design awards. We had the big projects. We had a big team. But in reality, it was completely different. I was working every single hour of the day, not leaving my office without my laptop glued to my side. We were managing a team of 9 people. We had super low profit margins, and it was a complex business to run because everyone we were working with had a completely custom solution. And how I went from that to now running a business that allows me to have my calendar looking like this, where I'm only taking client calls for 2 hours every single day, where 80% of my time is spent on the things I want to be doing and not stuck in client fulfillment. Whilst on top of this, getting better results for my clients and only working with clients that I love to work with and share the same values as me. And how this is all possible as a solo consultant with just one team member and around 80% profit margins. And the purpose of this video is to show you how you can do the exact same thing. Taking your skills, your knowledge, the one thing that you're great at and love to do, whether it be mindset training, whether it be sales, whether it be fitness, whether it be playing guitar, business, marketing, finance, whatever that skill you have is, the thing that you love to do and you know you can get client results for, and turning that into one core product, or you're building your own bridge for your clients, where you're getting them from where they are to where they want to go. And building a business that is built on your core values, your own rules, and delivered in a way that actually allows you to live the life you always wanted. And for me, for example, that looks like this. My core values are honesty, trust, clients first, life by design, system thinking, and growth. And my rules for my business are profit over revenue, no calls in the morning, client work only 2 hours per day, product first approach, where we're always focusing on our clients first, and a simple business model to run. And this was the mistake I made when I first started out. All the years grinding in my web design agency was I didn't realize I had the power to build a business on my terms. I just bought into the grind culture and we had to work every single hour of the day. But in actual fact, you could build a business around the constraints you want to set for your life. And it's so powerful once you realize that's actually possible. So here are the steps I took to be able to get there. And it's a framework I put together called the Bridge Builder Framework, one that allows you to do exactly that. So this is what my life looked like before. I had a web design agency and an info coaching business where we were both doing great with regards to revenue. 100K months, but we had a big team, we had high payroll, we were using funnel marketing where we're trying to push people into sales calls as much as possible. And the result of that was low quality leads and low profit. And the problem there also was that I was heavily involved in all of the operations to try and make things work and to put out fires every single day, where there was a lot of custom work we were doing for our clients. It was very complex to run. When now I operate as a hybrid consultant using the Bridge Builder framework where I'm making around $40,000 profit every single month with just one clear offer. I have one team member. We have a small operation. We use pull marketing where people want to work with us rather than us pushing them and spending a lot of money on us to get them on a sales call. But the most important thing is that we attract amazing clients and clients are aligned to our mission and our vision. We operate at 80% profit margins. We have one clear process. We always get results for our clients. And it's a simple business to run. So here's what the Bridge Builder framework looks like. So step 1 is finding a gap. Finding a gap that your dream clients are currently facing. For me, that's agency owners, consultants, creative, online service-based businesses who are currently stuck at around $5,000 to $10,000 per month and are looking to scale past 30K per month with a business model that can actually give them the life they actually want. So there's the gap in between where their current state is to where their goal state is. Once we've established that, step number 2 is actually building a bridge. Building a bridge to get our clients from where they are to where they want to go. And it's a simple process we follow. And the bridge we build for our clients is simple. First, we help them build out their offer. We then show them how to start generating leads through the systems we have. We then show them how to nurture those leads through the trust loop system we've built. We show them how to convert those leads through a sales process. And then we show them how to deliver through a hybrid consulting system that we use to do the exact same thing. Now, once we build the bridge, we just then designed 3 different ways for them to cross the bridge. Depending on where they are in their business, depending on how they want to work with us, depending on what's the best fit, they just pick and choose which way they want to cross. And for us, it looks like this. Option number 1, which is our main offer, is a done with you hybrid offer. And the way it works is simple. We give our clients the keys to the car. We jump in the car with them, but they're driving across the bridge. And we're just guiding them the whole entire way. telling them which ways to go, making sure they're getting the results they need, and guiding them through the whole process. Now, this is for people who fit my ideal client persona, which is they're already getting results for their clients, they're making around 3 to 10K per month, they're great at what they do, and their expertise can be taught online. And what they get when working with us with this offer is me as a mentor, my guidance, a personal access to me on Slack, one-on-one access to me for calls and messages whenever they want throughout the week, and a done-for-you setup where we set up their accounts, we set up their ads, we help them script out their pitch and their sales script. And there's also an element of done-for-you where we create their account, we help them set up their CRM, we help them launch their ads to make sure they're getting the results as quickly as possible. And the solution for them is always customized based on the type of product they're actually building. On top of this, we work with each other for 4 months. They have access to group calls, community, all of our systems, and access to our trading platform. And that price comes at $9,000. The milestones for us are simple. Milestone number 1 is within the first 30 to 60 days. Our goal is to help you get your first 10K months. And then milestone 2 is getting you to 30K months profit within those 4 months of working with us. And the client results we've got have been amazing for all the clients who have come in and who have been an ideal fit for us. Sean hit 100K months within the first 30 days. Matthew made his first 10K within the first 60 days working with us. And the list goes on. And the reason why we're able to get results is we're very careful with who we let into the program and who we let into working with us. Now, if that offer's not a fit, we also have 2 different ways for them to cross. Option number 2 is done for you, where what you get access to here is a personal driver who will actually do all of the work for you. However, there's profit share and a 1-year minimum contract where we're looking at long-term gains and partnerships. For me, I'm only working with around 2 to 3 people on a yearly basis on this offer. And the price for this is just 12K setup paid in full and 30% profit share for all the new business we generate once we work together. And the cool thing to see here is that 2 of my clients who were with the hybrid offer then qualified for the done for you offer. And now we're actually partners building out their own offers, working on a full-time basis together. Now, the third option is you do it yourself. We give you the map, we build you the bridge, but you cross it yourself to the training platform we give you online. This is for beginners and people who are just starting out but still want access to me and want access to the skills and training that I can provide, where they can get access to the community, the training and program, and potentially become a client in the future. And the price for this is around $2,000 to $5,000, depending on what you get access to and what you actually need help with. Now that we have the ways our clients can work with us to cross the bridge to get the results they actually want, the last thing we have to do is design the systems that we use to be able to get them those actual results. And for us, we have systems for offer building, we have systems for lead generation, for nurturing, for conversion and delivery. And the most important thing here is that whichever way our clients decide to work with us, we need to make sure they can get those same results, whether it's done for you, the done with you hybrid offer, or even them doing it themselves. And the way we do that is by making sure we have the right systems in place to help them get those results with or without us. So here's how you can do the same thing, where you can build a business where you can turn your expertise, skills, your knowledge, the passion you have, that one thing you're great at, whatever it is, as long as it could be taught online, into one product, which is your bridge, and the ways to deliver that product, which is how your clients can actually cross from where they are to where they want to go. And how you can make over $30,000 per month in profit whilst using this simple bridge builder framework. Now, before I give you the steps you can take today to actually start implementing this, I just want to explain what I learned in my journey actually building on this framework myself, which is after spending over $100,000 in coaches, mentors, masterminds, courses, the problem that I saw was most online coaches or experts try to shove their method down your throat. Like, this is the only way to operate your business, or this is the only way to attract clients. And to be honest with you, I fell for all of that shit. I listened to my coaches, I implemented their business model, and they were teaching me a model that didn't really fit me. And what it also made me realize is that currently the market is based on polarized marketing, which is everyone trying to get your attention by saying, don't do this one thing, which is the thing you just try to do this thing instead. And that thing is the thing they're trying to sell you on. And as a result of this, it just causes loads of confusion and low trust in the marketplace. For example, when it comes to operations, people who tell you only sell a course, or only work one-on-one with your clients, or don't work one-on-one with your clients, or only do group coaching, or don't do group coaching, selling checks, or don't do sales codes. It just becomes paralyzing to listen to. And the same thing with growth. You should use a VSL funnel. You should post organic content only. You should build your personal brand. You should sell a low ticket. You should build a book and sell a book and then upsell it. I know how exhausting that is because I had to go through all of that shit and I paid for all those things. And then I realized that wasn't really me. And the truth about it all is that all of those methods actually work, but it's not a one size fits all. And at the core of it, the real thing is that people just buy from people they trust and they like. People don't buy programs or courses. They buy the actual coach. They buy you. you as the expert and the guide to get them from where they are to where they want to go. And if you want to attract the right clients, ones that you actually enjoy working with, rather than following what everyone else say or building out the best offers and having some crazy money back guarantee, which I adopted in my previous businesses because I listened to what my mentors told me. And the problem there was that it just attracts shit clients that you don't really want to work with. Like the ones who want the guarantee, the ones who only want the best offer, those are the hardest clients to work with just because they're there for the quick fix and they're not there to actually solve problems. So what it made me realize was moving away from push marketing, which is forcing people into a funnel and to a sales call and just built around maximizing ROI and ad spend and forcing people into a sales call and pushing them to buy, to shifting that mindset to be pull marketing, which is desire based, where I show you the life and the business I have. I show you my values and what I live by. And I build an ecosystem around who I am as a person, the business I want to build. And it's simplified the whole problem, which is rather than trying to impress and trying to push, we just try to connect and only let people into our ecosystem if they are a good fit and if they connect with us. And that's the way you can start attracting dream clients that you actually love to work with and actually understand you. And now people work with us because they understand us and they've connected with us before we even try to sell anything to them. Not because of our best offer, the best guarantee, or we're going to get you results in 7 days, or the new latest funnel hack. It's just because we connected, we show them exactly what we do, how we can help them, along with the values we are and who we are as people. And that's what makes business fun. Like working with people you love to work with, who can be your friends, and that you actually enjoy waking up to actually helping. So this is how it works. This is how you can use the Bridge Builder framework to hit your first 30K months in profit in your business. And it all starts by first finding your bridge to build. Like, what is your expertise? What's that one thing you're amazing at that you enjoy doing? What's the gap that you help your clients solve? What outcomes can you help them achieve? And the most important thing is, what past results have you been able to help them achieve so that you can prove that you can actually do it to new clients coming into your ecosystem? And what you should remember is that you don't need to be a level 10 expert to be able to sell online consulting and coaching. You can be a level 5 and sell to a level 1. So don't overcomplicate this of like, you have to be the smartest person and making hundreds of millions. That's not what we're doing here. We're just packaging your knowledge and skill and just helping someone who has a problem that you know how to solve, getting them from where they are to where they want to go. And all you have to do is really understand the person you want to help. What are their frustrations? What are their fears? And think about them at one edge of a cliff. That's where they are. And that's where they're currently stuck. And think about the other edge of a cliff, which is their dream state, where they want to go. And the gap between is your offer. That's the bridge you're going to build to help them get from that stage to that stage. Now, once you've identified your client, you've understood what bridge you're building and what results you can get them, the second thing is to actually build your bridge. And building a bridge that allows you to charge high ticket. By selling the outcomes and selling results, you can build out offers where you can charge $3,000 up to $15,000 for the actions that you're providing. And when you're building out your bridge, all you want to do here is think about the 4 main problems you help your client solve in a sequential manner. Meaning, what's the first problem, what's the second problem, what's the third problem, and what's the fourth problem. And those are going to be the building blocks and the stepping stones your clients are going to take to be able to get them from where they are to where they want to go. And in doing so and building this bridge, it allows you to explain what you do in a very clear and concise manner that your clients will actually understand. And once you build the bridge, all you do now is design the different ways you want them to cross. Done with you, done for you, a hybrid model do it yourself. You're able to create the ways your clients can cross to get the results they want in a way that actually makes sense for them. And the third thing is just understanding your rules and your numbers. Understanding your numbers and what success means to you. This is the most important thing about it all. Because you can build a business making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. But if you're not happy, if you've designed a business that has no constraints and is just basically you stuck to your laptop, stressed out of your mind all day, then what's the point of that? The cool thing here is that we can design a business by design, by creating constraints and understanding what the numbers are for success for us and what success looks like in the day-to-day operations for us too. So what you want to do here is design the rules and the constraints that you want to add to your business so you can run it how you want to run your business without sacrificing client results. For example, my number is $100,000 per month in personal profit. Here's a breakdown of my numbers to show you how simple this actually is. All I need is 2 done-for-you clients who are paying $10,000 in profit share per month, 9 new hybrid clients per month that equals to $80,000 per month, and 4 do-it-yourself clients pay me $2,500 each, which accounts to another $10,000. And my rules are simple. Mornings are focused on building and growing the business. 2 hours of client calls per day max. 80% profit margins I operate on. Clients can get results with or without me. Number 5 is freedom to work for where I want, when I want. And number 6 is clients and my team are not dependent on me. And that's my simple plan. My simple business model using the Bridge Builder framework to allow me to achieve the life I want to live by having more income, more impact, and more freedom by doing the things that I love to do and working with clients who I consider friends. Now, look, if you got this far, you're probably wondering a few things, just like, how can I create my high-ticket offer? How can I implement the bridge builder framework? Like, what are the systems? How long will it take me to get results? How can I make my first 30K months? How can I hit my first 10K months? And that's why we built out the ClearScale Accelerator, where we help you hit your next $30,000 per month milestone. And here's how it works. It's a 4-month accelerator where we help you build out your offer. We show you how to get leads. We show you how to sign clients, and we show you how to deliver in a way that actually makes sense, where you're not stuck on your computer and selling your time. Within week 1 to week 2, we help you build out your bridge and your offer. We help you define your client persona, build out your offer, build out your bridge, and build out all the systems for you to be able to actually sell high ticket. And then week 3 to week 16 is where we implement the bridge builder framework, where we show you how to generate leads consistently. We show you how to nurture and build trust with your clients. We show you how to close. We show you how to deliver. And we actually hold your hand throughout the whole process. Now, this is not some course you buy and do it yourself. We're actually in the trenches with you, where we're going to help you launch your ads, set up the campaigns, build the conversion system, show you your sales scripts, build out your pitches, all done with you, where we make sure it's working. We'll make sure you're getting results. And then we give you the skills for you to be able to keep doing the thing yourself. So you learn the skills that can last a lifetime. You can build a business that you actually enjoy. And we guide you through every step of the way. And our goal is simple, which is within the first 30 to 60 days, you cover the full investment while working with us. Now, if you want the full details, click on the link below, follow me on Instagram, and DM me the word 9. Now, we only open up at those occasionally, and our intake is capped at 9 people per month. And again, like I said before, we only work with people who are a right fit, who have the same values, have the same beliefs. So if you DM me on Instagram, we can have a chat. I can show you how it works, answer any questions you have. And if it's a right fit, we can take it from there. I'm looking forward to speaking to you, and thank you for your time.